Hey everyone, here's a video of my exploration of the Lake George Bike Trail in Hammond, Indiana. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. All right, back at it again, up at the Lake George Trail, up near the Hammond, Whiting, Indiana area. There's actually a plant behind me, so should be a good ride. I don't think it's too long, but it pretty much cradles the lake with different marshes and parts of Lake George here. So stay tuned. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. All right, so Lake George Trail is located in the Hammond, Indiana / Whiting, Indiana space, and it's on this body of water called Lake George. So the trail's nice because I believe it cradles the lake pretty much all the way through. There's a big steam plant or manufacturing plant back there of some kind. Not sure. I'll get closer on the way back. But it's really nice. Some wildlife, birds, small rodents out here, and things of that nature. But it's pretty. So catching it during sundown, so should get some good perspective. So on the seems to be like southern side of the street, there's some baseball fields, a lot of different playgrounds and fairgrounds. So it's nice to see, activities happening while you're riding a lake. So you got a little bit of peace over here on your right side, and on your left you have activities going on. So just stopping off for briefly. There, obviously some beavers that come through this marshland over here. And let's see what we got here. Oh, that guy just hid. It looked like an oriole. So there's some homes over on the other side. I'm gonna get closer to that. And back there you can see some electrical lines. All right, so here at the Wolf Lake Memorial Park, what's cool, there's homes that are on the opposite side of the trail and the lake. So the trail kind of is sandwiched. It looks like there's some people doing some fishing out here. So, quite nice. Yeah, be careful coming through here. There are a lot of geese. So you just gotta be a little careful. Because they could definitely be aggressive, especially with their young. Nevertheless, still a very beautiful short trail. Let's see what else I find. So there are some little rest areas where you go use the restroom, get some water. Pretty nice. Another little pit stop. Check it out. So, a little roundabout up here. Some more fishing going on. Looks like that way. A few people with boats out here too. Once again, place to use the restroom and stop. Get some ice. So coming across another family of geese. And a marsh. Should be a bridge that takes you across the lake. Then head back northeast. To the bridge that takes you across the lake. It's a little land bridge right here that cuts through the lake. Pretty cool. So, should be in closer back to where it started over there by the Cargill plant. Quite unique. So along the land bridge, spotted some swans. Pretty sizable ones too. Wow, they're huge. They're just off to the side. Alright, so this is the actual bike, jogging, walking bridge that they've built here. It's pretty cool as it cuts through the water. So, a little bumpy for biking, but cool nonetheless. Alright, so just spotted a deer, a doe. Here. Alright, it's getting a little dark out here. Retail. There's a Walmart over here. And a casino. Good shot of the right there. There's Cargill. So, on a gamble. Win a little money. Just do a pit stop on the trail. You can. And I've actually won some money on this one before, but whatever is your cup of tea, it could all happen on the bike trail. And I'm gonna head back towards the car. All right, so the final leg of the trail before I wind down. It's nice, you get this strip next to the Cargill plant and the water. So, once again, so long as it's the Lake George Trail near Hammond and Whiting, Indiana. Signing off till next time, this is Zach Ross. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross.